2014 Chevrolet Malibu, a combination of performance and fuel economy. The Malibu is a great commuting car. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, AM/FM stereo with CD player and MP3 WMA capability, CD player, power windows, electronic stability control, security system, compass, trip computer, rear window defroster, brake assist, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, overhead console, tachometer. Your new ride is just a phone call away.